Hey everybody, Sam Parker here, CEO of My Credit Guy Credit Restoration. And I get the question all the time from clients that are rebuilding credit, why do I have to start with these credit cards that just aren't that great? Meaning low limit credit cards, so small credit cards, and then sometimes not the best interest rates. Sometimes you're looking at paying annual fees, stuff like that. Well, most of the time when you're in that situation where those cards are your options, it's because unfortunately, but let's admit it, you've maybe had some chances in the past and some credit cards went late or they got charged off, or you have some of those negative things on your credit from the past. And basically the way that your credit report is set up is it's a risk model. It shows how risky you are. It's kind of like a resume, okay? So if on your resume, if you think about it like this, if on your resume a potential employer looked at it and the last 3 jobs you had, it said, hey, they no-called, no-showed, they stopped showing up to work, and they were disruptive at work, kind of like a collection or a charge-off might be viewed on your credit report. Now you can see where the next credit card company might say, hey, listen, we're going to protect ourselves, and we're going to do that by not giving them that much space to mess up, so maybe only a $200 or $300 credit limit to start with, and then also we're going to make sure that this is worth it for us as well, and so they're going to charge you a higher interest rate. The thing that you have to realize is that those credit cards are just stepping stones. So even if you do get those open, let's move on from those quickly, show good credit history, payment history, make your payments on time, and then you can very quickly move up and get onto better credit cards. We at My Credit Guy do have a couple different options for you with secured credit cards or low limit credit cards where it's not going to cost you an arm and a leg, where it reports to the credit bureaus more often than your normal credit card and it reports a lot faster. So if you do need a credit rebuilding credit card, just get in touch with us and we can definitely help you out. But hopefully that just kind of explains to you why when you're starting to rebuild credit, you might not get those ideal credit cards that you were hoping for with the high limits and the low interest rates. So if you need us, you know how to get a hold of us. Here's our contact information. Thank you very much.